Hey everyone, so if you're using Zoom, recently you noticed there is a new apps tab. So Zoom app marketplace was there for a while, but now it's a separate tab and it's much more developed. So let's just explore how to add apps. I think I did a video about it before, but now it's completely different. So you just go to this menu, discover app on marketplace. You're directed to the marketplace.zoom.us, and then you will see all the Zoom apps which are here, and it's like an app store. So you can select like categories, featured apps, like you can install like superhuman email app on Zoom, if this then that. So super actually really nice here, all categories, and then you can just filter this. Like if you just interested for apps which are working with Zoom meetings, you're not interested with apps or Zoom chat or Zoom webinars, then there are at the moment 82 apps, as I understand. Or okay, that's like 82 pages. Yeah, not 82 apps. Then you can just pre-approved, admin installable, member installable, and then you're just filtering all of that, and there you have it. So yeah, for example, I want to install this Otter AI, or I want to install Slack by Zoom, Calendly for Zoom. So I just tap on Slack, and then you will see that this app will be installed. Streamline your workflow and communication with the Zoom integration for Slack. So there you have it. So basically you will integrate your Slack and Zoom. So yeah, that's how it works. I already have it installed. I can install Salesforce, I can install Calendly. So if I want to install Calendly, I can just approve the install of this app, and then I can just visit this site to install. There are all the different requirements. These are basically like integration, so it will be depending on the each software you're using, so it's not actually that easy, but anyways, that's the process here. So that's how it works.